Hi! Before we start with the main video, I would like to thank you, ShiftSync, to be the main sponsor of today's video. Are you tired of feeling isolated in your work as a tester, developer or DevOps specialist? You want to be part of a community that is passionate about innovation, collaboration and cutting-edge technology? Look no further than ShiftSync. Follow the link in the video description and sign up for free and start the exchange with like-minded people. The goal of ShiftSync is to create a dynamic, engaged space for developers, testers and industry leaders to share knowledge and grow professionally. Quality is more than testing, and such sharing with collaboration will help improve the software development lifecycle on every stage, from security, code writing, defining requirements, accelerating performance and setting up a high-functioning developing team. ShiftSync is a community for everyone and anyone who is interested in all aspects of quality engineering from left to right across the software development spectrum. Engaging and relevant for users, practitioners, testers, manual or being automated, developers, no matter if it's web applications, mobile applications or DevOps specialists, software admins and the like. It shares relevant context such as blog posts, discussions, roundtable discussions and webinars. So make sure to sign up using the link in the video description and to start your community collaboration today. Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel Software Testing. My name is Daniel Knott and I'm happy that you're here. Today's video is again about a really great initiative one person from our testing community has done. I'm talking about Dawid. Dawid actually created the Software Testing Weekly. For those of you who don't know Dawid, here's briefly his LinkedIn account. Sorry, Dawid, to give you some first light credibility on that thing, but you really did a great job. So in case you'd like to contact with Dawid, follow up his YouTube, not his YouTube channel, but his LinkedIn channel link to find or to connect with him and to actually say thank you, because I think he has done a really great job. And what he has done actually is basically the Software Testing Weekly newsletter. So he has like more than 5,600 software testers in his newsletter, and he's sending out every Friday, he's sending out a newsletter for free to the community. And it's a really cool thing. And I'm a heavy user of this newsletter since, I don't know, almost a year now or even more, I don't know. And I thought like, hey, why not give him some credits, on some kudos on the work that he has done for us as a community, because I'm really happy to see his content on a weekly basis there. I'm really waiting for Friday to see what he has come up with. And so yeah, you can go ahead and follow in the video description to find out what is in the Software Testing Weekly. You can sign up for his newsletter. You can follow him on LinkedIn, as I already said, to also get the latest updates. And so let's take a quick look what's in the latest, or like in the time while I was recording this video was available, and this was the 162nd issue. So again, there's like a comment from him always like, hey, welcome, but there are like not many places like Test Automation University, so he gives some credits to them as well. There are some sponsored links like would you like to work for Komoot, actually to become a software test engineer for Komoot. And then down below we have some really cool updates from the community. So we have some news like how to stop being afraid of bugs and start loving them, or is QA an unstable career, for example. So there's like a majority of topics that he usually covers in his newsletter. And it basically covers like general software testing topics, which you can just see here. Then he's usually covering some topics around automation. So what he has found in terms of blogs, sometimes videos, what he thinks is really valuable for us as a community and for you to follow up with. So let's see, there's lots of stuff about automation. We have a section calling tools, where he gives some insights on the latest updates on tools that others have created. See more tools. He's also talking about some books. Then from time to time there are also videos attached, and there's usually something funny at the very end. So that's cool. So it's, as you can see, it's not long. It's long enough. I mean, there's so many great topics to follow up on, and it's a really cool thing that you should take a look at. And if you haven't done so far, please go ahead and sign up. You can also follow his account on Twitter, which is the QA newsletter, and yeah, you can follow it as well, and to get also the latest updates here from the latest issues. There's also the cool thing is that he usually mentions the people that are inside the newsletter to give that person credibility as well, to give something back. And also, like, after a couple of days, he's also checking his statistics and analytics and is sharing again with us, the community, saying, okay, this was the top 3 articles from the latest newsletter, from the latest issue, and to actually to promote it even more, what has been most engaged with and read. So as you can see here, so the most popular article of the 161st issue is how to improve as a tester in this age of AI and DevOps. So, and then so forth and so forth. Yeah, so this is what I would like to show you and present you today. Today's is a short video. It's a couple of minutes long. But if you haven't done so far, please go ahead and follow him or his project, Software Testing Weekly. Thanks, Dawid, for creating it. And yeah, leave a thumbs up. As always, leave a subscription to support me, to support us in the software testing community. And yeah, thank you coming by to this video, and see you next time. Bye.